Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I will be teaching you how to make a realistic cotton candy. For that we'll need Ziploc bag, some extra fine glitter, the crystal diamond one. I purchased this one on Michael's. To give them color you will need some chalk. We have I use this ones. There's for the kids to write in the sidewalk. For the pink ones I use some makeup, paper straws, but I just removed the unicorn and the sloth that they have. But the thing with this one is that it was too flimsy. So when I start to using the cotton that I start rolling in the stick, it start breaking. So I'm just gonna use a piece of just regular wood stick. You just paint it afterwards, or you can paint it before. But I'm just gonna use this one today. And some cotton that I have in a bag. This is to fill toys. So the first thing that I did is that I use my blade. You can use a blade or anything that will be easy to scrape. So I'm gonna do mine on blue because I have a lot of ones pink already. So with this one you just put it inside the bag and you scrape it in there. You don't have to use a Ziploc bag, but I'm gonna use it because the first ones I did it without a bag and all the dust was all over the place and it was making me sneeze a lot and it was really uncomfortable. You put some in there first before you put the cotton. Then you're gonna grab a piece. You can be as big as you want. I'm gonna grab these two ones. And you're just gonna spread it a little bit. It doesn't matter if you don't spread it a lot now, because at the end you're gonna spread it more. Because you're just gonna put it in there, shake it a little bit, and you're gonna scrape a little bit more on top of it. Be careful because right now I'm using a blade, so I have to be really careful because I can cut myself. So you're just gonna sip it and just shake it. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna grab your stick. Now first you're gonna take a piece of this, shake it a little bit inside because remember, it's just chalk dust. So, oh, I like this blue. It came out a little bit darker than the first one. And what you're just gonna do, yeah, I wasn't careful when I cut myself. What you're gonna do is that you're gonna spread it a little bit. See all the dust coming out? If you don't like all the dust, you can just wear a mask. You just spread it a little bit. If there's some spot that is really white and you want it with a little bit more color, the only thing that you have to do is just grab some of the dust that is already in the bag and just put it on top. And just tap it a little bit. So you're gonna have some in the table. You can just use that. Now, you're gonna grab your glue gun. You're not gonna put it all over the stick. You're just gonna grab the glue and just put a string all the way to the top. Then you're gonna put a piece there. Be careful with the other glue gun that I had before. I could do this and I wasn't gonna burn myself, but with this one I have burned my fingers a couple times. So you're just gonna put it little by little. You're gonna pull it and you're gonna soften it, go around. Pull it again and go soft around. And this is gonna be the first part, and you're gonna put a little bit of glue in the end. And you're gonna put it there. Make it a little bit in the middle. In the middle, leave it like a little bit like puffy in the middle. And in the bottom. And in the bottom, you're just gonna put some glue and carefully wrap the end right there. Now, you're gonna grab another piece. If you want it more thicker, cover the stick on the top. You're just gonna grab another piece. Put some glue where you end it. And then you're gonna put it there. You're gonna press it down. And you're gonna do the same process. You're just gonna pull it. Then you're gonna spin it and pull the cotton around. Right now, after you put the glue, it doesn't matter if you look a little bit. You can just be spreading it by yourself at the end. You see, it look a little bit. Or if you want it less, in the parts that you want it less, you just squish it down. I'm sorry. Another thing that I forgot to mention is that you will need some spray glue. I purchased this one in Dollar Tree. The first one didn't work at all, but this one works. So you're just gonna spray it. And then you're gonna grab your glitter. And you're just gonna let it fall on top of it. I don't know if you can see it clearly where the glitter is falling. That gives you a little bit of touch there. That's how it's gonna look at the end. Thank you for watching. I hope you like this video. If you have any comments, just leave it in the section below. Hit likes and subscribe for more videos.